Hello, my healthy friends. Welcome to Low Fat, Low Carb, a place where you're supported no matter what diet you follow. You see, we're not swayed by any diet trend. Our purpose is to create delicious and nourishing meals that are a foundation to health to support your body. Our meals will help you lower stress, cholesterol, and inflammation, and the best part is that weight loss is just a natural byproduct of bringing your body back to optimal. Which is why we are super excited to talk to you about our health questionnaire. This is a variation of the one that I use in my personal nutrition practice. And it's so cool that it's now available to you online. With this simple questionnaire, you'll get a really good idea of how your day-to-day symptoms might be affecting your mental, hormonal, immune, cardiovascular, and gut health. That's right, you may not know it, but your dry skin just might be a sign that your liver needs some extra love. So let's take a few minutes to go through the questionnaire together. I think you'll really like what you'll discover. First, you'll want to go to Low Fat, Low Carb and log in. If you're not a member, no problem, just join, it's totally free. Once you join, you'll automatically be taken to the intro page for the health questionnaire. From there, you can start the quiz. If you're already a member, once you log in, you'll have to go to the top right button of your screen and press on your name. That will take you to your profile page. From there, you can personalize your profile by either selecting an avatar, filtering your recipes by allergies, or starting your questionnaire. From there, you'll start answering your questions. Don't worry, it only takes about 7 minutes to complete. If at any time you have to stop, you can also save for later. When you click on that button, it will take you back to your profile, and you'll notice that the Start Questionnaire button will be pulsing and the text beside it will be red. You can click on that button at any time to continue your questionnaire, just so you know your answers will only be saved for 30 days. Okay, you've finished your questionnaire. Now you'll be redirected to your health profile results. From here, you'll see either green, yellow, or red bars indicating the status of your health according to your answers. If you see a yellow or red bar, you may want to get some extra information about that health category. In the text below the graph, you'll see some quick tips that you can start implementing right away to support one of the 5 categories of health. For example, if your cardiovascular system is showing up as yellow, below the health graph, you'll see information on what the cardiovascular system does, along with 2 food tips that you can easily introduce to start supporting your cardiovascular health. Want more info? No problem. Each category has a downloadable PDF that talks about the key nutrients and the foods that you should avoid to start optimizing your health. You'll want to sign up for our category-specific newsletter. Yep, every month we're going to send you quizzes, articles, and recipes with your health category in mind. Our purpose is to help you heal your body with whole foods. By understanding your starting point, you'll be better equipped with tools to move forward towards a balanced body, mind, and optimal health.